Looking to make an enduring design statement in your kitchen? Nothing can match the strength, style, and soul of Kohler enameled cast iron. And whether you live in a farmhouse or modern loft, our new Whitehaven enameled cast iron self-trimming apron-front sink will stand out and stand up for generations of holidays and family gatherings. The rich enameled finish of its gently sloped basin will not chip, crack, or burn, and our lifetime limited warranty guarantees it. While the offset drain creates a huge surface with virtually no pooling, so cleaning is easier than ever. And with a generous 9-inch basin, the Whitehaven gives you enough space for everything from bathing a newborn to filling a pasta pot. Installation is as smooth as our enamel finish. Our innovative self-trimming design saves time and hassle for contractors and homeowners alike. A simple rough cut to standard size cabinetry is all that's needed for precise, professional results. No tedious trim work means no more worrying about unsightly gaps. Want the apron front aesthetic without having to replace your cabinets? No problem. The 7-inch short apron model, also available in the bright look of our vault stainless steel model, easily retrofits into an existing standard size cabinet without a major renovation. Great for quick remodel projects. Like every Kohler enameled cast iron piece, the self-trimming apron front sink is fabricated from at least 80% recycled content. Available in nearly 20 color options, ranging from timeless whites to stunning hand-applied hues that make countertops come alive like no other material can, and it's guaranteed for life. Strength, style, and soul. Make your house a home with the Whitehaven enameled cast iron self-trimming apron front sink.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.